Hi, this is Carl from LEDMAN. Today I would like to give you guys a brief introduction about our indoor wall-mounted fixed install LED video wall products that we call X series. And for our X series, we have 5 pixel pitch, ranges from 1.9, 2.4, 2.9, 3.9, and 5.9. And they all come with standard module design with 250 by 250. So we have 6 different cabinets design with 3 of the cabinets with 2 modules high, and 3 cabinets comes with 1 module high. For the 3 big size, we have half meter by 1 meter, and also half meter by half meter, and 750 by half meter. And for the 1 module high, they come with still the same design with like 2 modules in length, and 3 modules in length, and 4 modules in length, which is like a 500 by 500, and 750, and 1000 by 1 module 250. So when we take a closer look of the hubboard, we can see for the bigger panels, we have 2 hubboard for the big panels, and one hubboard for each side. And here is the receiving card that we have, that we are using NovaStar A5S Plus. And so when we take off the modules, we can see like for the modules we have 9 different magnets, like 3 on the board, 3 on the top, and 3 on the bottom, and 3 in the middle, and 3 on the bottom. So when we do the connection, we can see we have the magnets, and then we have the location pin right here. So we just make sure like the modules can be matched with the location pins, and then we can put it back with our bare hand only. And here's how it looks like. Besides that, we can see this is the module mask design to better protect the LEDs. So here is how it looks like with the mask off the PCB board. We can also like put it on the PCB board like this way, and here then it will be better protection for the LEDs. And when we see the internal design of the cabinets, we can see here is the power supply, hubboard, and receiving card, and we have the power cable to the internal connection, and as well as the signal. So we have the hose for up and down connection, as well as for the right and the left connection to go through the power cable and the signal cable. And besides that, when we do the video wall connection, we can see like here the screws for the right and the left connection, as well as the screws right here for the up and down connection. So we have like 2 screws on the rear side, and the 2 screws on the bottom and the top area. And when we see from this side, we can see here is a trim for the LED video wall connection, that we can also have the meshed trim to better protect of the LED video wall. And here is how it looks like without the trimming. So here is the front side that we can see the internal, the inside looking, and as well as the modules. And then we can take a closer look of the back side as well. So for the back side, we can see it's very clean on the back side for the cable connection, and it's only like the hose right here to go through the main power and the signal cable for the big video wall. Besides that, we do also have the indicator lighting. We can see like the green one is blinking, and it's for the signal, and the red one is stable for the power. So that's how it looks like on the back side, and this is how it looks like for the front side. And then we will take a closer look of the small cabinets that with square panel design as well. We can see like here is a small panel, so we can take off the module with our bare hands only. And when we take a closer look as well, so all the design is the same as the big panel, just the only difference is like it's a square panel. We do also have the connecting plate on this area for the cabinets connection as well. So here is the power, and here is the hose for the power and cable connection, as well as like a right and left, and up and down the screws, and the quick lock right here. So everything is the same. And then for the back side, we do also have the design for the customized logo, as well as products information sticker. So for this area, we can have the customized logo with any logo, like it's a silver screen. And for this area, it's our products information as well as the 30 sticker. We can see, like for this one, it's our 1.9. The cabinet size is it is like a 1 meter by half meter or half meter by half meter. So here is the back side for the cabinets. So, and this is how it looks like for the front side. Besides that, we do also have the square panel design like this one. So when we need the square design, we can see we can make like a right angle like this area, or like this area, or even like this design, or even like a square like this one. So we just but for the right angle design, what we can make right now is only like a one module height only. So we can see right here with one module height, and so we just like cut 45 degrees on each side, and then to make it right angle. And when we have both modules on, the gap right here is about like a 4 millimeter. So that's how it looks like for the right angle or for the right angle design. So that's how, and when we can select as well, we can select here is the lock on the back side to lock on the right angle area, and we can also like take it off like this way, and that's how it looks like for cabinet structure of the right angle. So we can, but this is just the demo one, so we can make like even longer, even bigger than this demo one for the right angle if we have like any customized project. So that's so here is our big cabinet, and that will be our square one, and that's brief and for that's the brief introduction for our X series products. And for the package, when we finish the producing, they come with standard wooden case, and we will have like one wooden case for the cabinet structure only, with a hardboard receiving card, everything on, and as well as the power supply. And the other wooden case will come with the modules, so they both come with separately. And for the modules, they are like sealed with the vacuum bags to make sure like it's we can say like waterproof during the transportation. But when we do the installation, it's not waterproof. So yeah, that will be the brief introduction for our indoor X series product. And if you still got any other questions, so please feel free to comment below, or you can also email me or text message to me. And yeah, that will be the introduction for today. And thank you all. Have a nice day.